Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to We Talk Islam. As you know, Al-Aqsa is a very holy place, not only for Muslims but also for Jews. They believe that Al-Aqsa is located in a place where Solomon's temple used to be. They believe that this temple has been destroyed twice, and now they are doing everything to rebuild it from its foundation for the third time. Solomon's temple is very significant to the Jews because they believe that it will facilitate the coming of their Messiah. Evangelical Christians also support them because they too believe it will facilitate the second coming of Jesus. So you've probably heard about the prophecy of the red heifer in Jewish beliefs. In fact, in ancient Judaism, the ritual of sacrificing animals is central. Traditionally, the most honorable sacrifice was that of a young and virgin red cow. Thus, some Jews and Christians believe that the red heifer is the key to rebuilding the historic Jewish temple in Jerusalem. According to the Talmud, one of the fundamental texts of Judaism, there have been 9 red heifers sacrificed since Moses' time. Since the destruction of the second temple, no red heifers have been slaughtered. The 10th sacrifice of a red heifer will be the last. After that, the Messiah will appear. Burn this cow on the Mount of Olives. Mix the ashes with water and purify the believers with this water. Then, the Messiah will take them to rebuild the temple in Jerusalem. Thus, according to Jewish prophecy, the reconstruction of Solomon's temple would inevitably require the destruction of Al-Aqsa Mosque, as well as the Dome of the Rock.
Oh, it's going to go 100%, but I believe
it's going to go.
It's 100%, yeah. The whole thing is going to go. We have to build a temple.
The reason why until now this cow has not yet been sacrificed in order to facilitate the construction of the temple and the coming of the Messiah according to them is because the cow has certain criteria which are very difficult to fulfill. Firstly, everything must be red, including the hooves. It must also be at least 3 years old. This is a cow that has never been used for tasks such plowing lands, milking, and so on. It has to have gone through a natural birth, and there can't be any defect. So naturally, they couldn't find anything like this. Therefore, Israel has established a religious organization called the Temple Institute, whose mission is to find the 10th heifer necessary to fulfill the prophecy. So recently, they found a cow in Texas that meet all these criteria, and they immediately flight it to Israel.
Texas Red Angus, flying them 7,000 miles to Israel.
Reports say that the cow is now in a safe place in occupied Palestine, and they are waiting for a specific time to sacrifice it and then proceed to the demolition of Aqsa and then the reconstruction of the third temple. So, let us know what you think. Have you ever read or heard about this prophecy? If yes, what do you know about it? Please share your opinion in the comments. Assalamu alaikum.